welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas number 9. Right now I just got done at the hospital and my dad came and picked me up. I'm heading to get some tags for my store. If you guys didn't know, I have an online shoe and clothing store on Instagram, and I want to do something Christmassy that I can DIY, something easy. If you remember, I didn't put my little tree up in my room because the extension cord literally burned. So I have that extra ribbon as well as ribbon that my mom and I got last year. We have velvet ribbons, I have flat ribbon. I want to put it to good use, so I'm thinking of getting some sticky tags first of all for the names. I found this idea on Pinterest, which I use brown paper bags like that, so it would be very similar. If I can find some sort of paper tag that's Christmassy, hopefully not too expensive, I'll show you guys what I end up finding if I find anything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Buenas.
Un cappuccino pequeño.
Caballero, cappuccino para que sea en el vaso grande.
¿Está bien, mamá?
¿Está bien?
I am in love with this song.
Bueno, si que disfrutan el café.
Gracias, igual. Digo igual no, pero...
O sea, igual de buenas.
Y que está sasa, yo nunca vi eso. A little while from now, and as if to knock me down, reality came around, and without so much as a mere touch, God in His mercy, if He really does exist, why did He deserve? I truly am indeed alone again, naturally. These gift tags, I'm thinking of getting these two. They bring 8 each. So I'm getting some yarn. I've seen plenty of this color on Pinterest, but I'm thinking of going with this red because obviously it's more Christmassy. Guys, look how cute these are. Also getting some tissue paper for the clothes. I'm gonna get red and white. Some wrapping paper. I decided to get this flag. We also have this cute little ribbons, but I don't think I'm gonna need that because I already have this. So I think I'm good. Now I'm just gonna look for the name tags. I didn't see this. This would have been cute. Buenos dias! Buenos dias! So I got, conveniently, the place where I get the bags is pretty close to the hospital. So I ended up stopping by and getting more bags. I'm about to receive new arrivals soon. And so there's 4 types of bags that I get. First, these paper ones with a handle. I also have the same version, but a smaller one for smaller orders. And I also have the ones without the handle for the orders that are shipped outside of the city, because we also ship like through a courier. For the orders that are in the city, I use a delivery guy, and so I have these big ones for big orders and also the small version of it right here. Other store, I bought a few things. You guys saw me look at those gift tags, but they were a little bit pricey and it only came with 4. And then I found an even better option, which was the one that I ultimately ended up getting. I got 2 types. I got a bunch of these. For orders that are in the city, I got these red tags that say, let's say to and from. It comes with a little string that I can tie. I also got a full white version for orders that are outside the city, because there's obviously more info that I have to put in. I got these 2 felts, a red and a black one. And I got tissue paper for clothing. I'm going to pack a few orders that were placed yesterday, and then I'm gonna get started on posting new arrivals for clothing that I still have yet to post. guys, it's much later. I'm about to assemble things on this rack to put on my sites. I'm gonna bring you guys along the process and then packing orders, which I've shown you before for shoes, but now we're working with clothing. And I'm wearing this bathrobe. I was trying it on and I decided to keep it. Show you what it looks like. I just put it on top of my pajamas, so don't mind that. It's so cozy.
Celebrate, yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much.
Guys, look how cute this Kate Spade peplum top. Really wanted to keep it, but it's in a size 8. But this is such a gem. You guys know I love anything gingham. This is so great. Imagine this with some red jeans or pants for the holidays. I'm going to put a bunch of things on the rack, post a teaser. Also look at the, not sleeves, but the straps. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like shaped in the form of a bow. Anyway, I will post a teaser of new arrivals on my stories, and then I'll start taking photos and videos of a single piece with the price brand and everything. Okay, let's keep putting things on.
More than words can say, and I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I got myself some coffee and look at these mugs. I wanted to show you these Lily Pulitzer leggings. Still don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna post them, and if nobody wants to buy it in the first 24 hours, then I will keep them. They're in a size medium. They're so cute. I usually don't like a print on workout clothes, but specifically this I love. They're just so me. So you know how I have been wanting a pair of pajamas, like Christmas pajamas? I got this on my merchandise, but they're not in my size. They're, I think, a large or an extra large. To sell this before the 24th, because I don't think anyone's gonna want to buy Christmas clothes after Christmas.
My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So I keep putting everything that's sold already in this bag, and then at the end, when all the orders are placed, I'm going to pack everything and do a fun little time lapse. I think that will be so satisfying. For pants and skirts, I usually put it on the couch. I'm going to remove all of the pillows, cushions rather. So we're gonna do another time lapse doing this.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
a while. I've been packing and taking orders. I'm going to end this video here and I'm gonna keep uploading and doing basically the same thing over and over again. This video is gonna be up tomorrow. A couple of exciting things coming up for Vlogmas, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on Friday with the next Vlogmas. Bye!